Welcome to Wellness Day, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. In this video, we'll be exploring the ketogenic diet, a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss and overall health. Whether you're new to the diet or just curious about its effectiveness, we'll delve deep into the science behind the ketogenic diet and explore its potential benefits and drawbacks. The ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat, moderate protein diet that is designed to induce a state of ketosis in the body. In this state, the body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This is achieved by reducing carbohydrate intake to less than 50 grams per day and increasing fat intake to between 70 and 75 of total calorie intake. Ketosis is a natural metabolic state that occurs when the body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. When the body is in a state of ketosis, it produces ketones, which are molecules that are used as fuel by the body and brain. This is why the ketogenic diet is often referred to as a ketosis diet. The ketogenic diet works by putting the body into a state of ketosis, which forces the body to burn fat for energy. When you follow a ketogenic diet, your body will initially use up its stored glucose, which is derived from carbohydrates, for energy. Once that glucose is depleted, your body will start to break down fat for energy instead. In addition to promoting fat burning, the ketogenic diet has been shown to have many other potential benefits. One of the most significant benefits of the diet is weight loss. By reducing carbohydrate intake, the body is forced to burn fat for energy, which can lead to significant weight loss over time. The ketogenic diet has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and improve brain function. The ketogenic diet has been shown to have many potential benefits, both for weight loss and overall health. Research has found that the diet can be effective in reducing the risk of seizures in people with epilepsy. The diet has also been shown to improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes and reduce inflammation in the body. Other potential benefits of the ketogenic diet include increased energy, improved mental clarity and focus, and improved sleep quality. In addition to these benefits, the ketogenic diet may also help improve certain health conditions, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, POS, and certain neurological disorders. Some studies have also suggested that the ketogenic diet may have anti-cancer effects, although more research is needed in this area. While the ketogenic diet has many potential benefits, it is not without its potential drawbacks. One of the most common side effects of the diet is the keto flu, which is a group of symptoms that can occur during the initial adaptation period, such as fatigue, headaches, and nausea. The keto flu typically lasts a few days to a week and can be managed with proper hydration and electrolyte balance. Another potential drawback of the ketogenic diet is that it can be difficult to maintain long-term. The diet is very restrictive and requires careful planning and monitoring to ensure that you are getting all of the nutrients you need. Additionally, the diet may be challenging to maintain socially, as it can be difficult to eat out at restaurants or attend social events. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat, moderate protein diet that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss and overall health. The diet works by putting the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrate. The ketogenic diet has been shown to have many potential benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and improved brain function. However, the ketogenic diet is not without its potential drawbacks, such as the initial adaptation period known as the keto flu, and the diet's restrictive nature, making it challenging to maintain long-term. Despite these potential drawbacks, the ketogenic diet may be a viable option for those looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. If you're considering the ketogenic diet, it's essential to speak with a healthcare professional to ensure that it's a safe and appropriate option for you. Additionally, it's important to ensure that you're getting all of the nutrients you need while following the diet and to monitor your progress closely. Thank you for watching this video on the ketogenic diet. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.